Hi, welcome to Sweven Technologies, your CRM powerhouse. In this video today, we're going to be talking about conversations in your CRM. And conversations is everything that happens between you and your contact or between you and your customer or lead. So right now I have them filtered by all, but you can actually see the start conversations, the recent, or even the unread conversations. Ideally, it's nice for you to have it under unread, so you see any new messages that are coming up. You have a list here of all the conversations that you had. Obviously, this is a test business that we set up. So right now we only have 21. But if at any given time you want to filter by a set of information or criteria to find a specific set of customers or leads, you can do that by clicking on the filter icon. And you can even say, if it's my chat or assigned to someone within your organization, if it's an inbound, outbound, manual, or automated message. Or if the last message that was sent was either email, SMS, a live chat, perhaps on your website, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other method that you see here. And once you filter by that, you'll be able to get that set of customers or leads within that criteria. You're also able to reach the contact from this create new message, and you can send that message to that new contact. If we click on it right now, it's going to ask you to select the contact. You can select the new contact, type the number here or the name. Continue, and then you'll be able to start that conversation with that contact. So if we do right now a test, now if we select Jane Doe in this case, we're able to come in here, select on SMS, which is the method of communication we have with Jane Doe. And you're able to not only type the message, but you're also able to attach files, either from your system or your media library. You're able to insert emojis. You can insert templates. So if you have predetermined templates for these leads or customers, you can select them from here. And, it has a preset message that you can send over without having to retype every single time the message for that potential customer. You can even request payment if you are already integrated with our payment Stripe portal. And you can actually do other tasks as well, like inserting a contact, setting up an appointment, sharing the calendar, any other of the fields that you see here. You're also able to clear the message. If you don't want to send this message, you can send it immediately, or you can actually schedule a send. In addition, you can also archive the message, mark it as star if it's something that you want to keep on priority. You can mark it as unread and even delete that message from these actions above. On the right hand side, you're going to see a glance of your contact. So in this case, we have a Jane Doe. We can send a call, or we can send an email. You can add other fields as well here. You can add tags, add them to a specific campaign, similar to what we did in contacts, if you recall on my last video, and have a do not disturb channels on. You can just select which ones those are. If you recall, these are the channels that if a customer does not want to get bothered by a call, then you want to go ahead and select the call, so that way they do not disturb the contact via a call. And then on the right hand side, you also have the ability to set an appointment for them, similar to how we did it in contacts. You also have the ability to set them or set them in an opportunity within your pipeline. And that's how the conversations work. You have other actions that you can do within this section, such as manual actions. And manual actions lets you actually perform exactly what it labels, manual actions for your campaigns or workflows. So if there's anything pending that you need to push manually to your contacts, whether it's a promo or a special message, you can do that manually as well if you don't have it already automated. Next, we have your templates, and the templates is what I explained to you earlier. Whenever you're sending a message, you can pre-select a template, so you don't have to type the same message over and over. And you can actually select whether it's a template by text or email, and you can insert that in the conversations, and you can actually create those here by adding template or a snippet, what we call a snippet. And then next you have your trigger links, and the trigger links are just a way to track what your contacts are actually clicking on when you're sending them a message with a hyperlink and you happen to put a trigger link. We're able to track if that contact or that person actually clicked on the trigger link, and we're able to track those visits to your website or to a landing page or anywhere where this trigger link is taking them to. So this is very important to set up as well. You can actually just click on add link, and you can enter the name of that link, enter the link URL. And whenever you're sending a message, whether by email or SMS, when you're inserting that trigger link or selecting that trigger link, you would select it from those predetermined or pre-created links that you did on this section. You can actually do it from those predetermined or pre-created links that you did on that section. Stay tuned for more videos.